this is poem dedicated to Dr. James W. Tyson, presented by Zimba Mission College of Nursing and Midwifery students on the 30th anniversary for International Vision Volunteers held at Zimba Eye Hospital, Zimba, Zambia, on Tuesday, 26th of March 2024. Okay. So deep in the heart of Zimba, where dreams and hope abound, stand the lamp of light with healers in white, renowned and bright, celebrating 3 decades of restored sight. When all my hope had dried and dried, that I would never see light again, with shining stars, a soft and tender touch came unto my face, assuring me that my sight would be restored. Today we stand here giving homage to the founder of International Vision Volunteer and the 30 years of sight restoration. Our clear sight, because my lens, my cornea, my pupil, my sclera, and my retina have been touched by the angel with lamp of sight as we give title to our poem, celebrating 3 decades of restored sight through International Vision Volunteers in Zambia and beyond. In the realm of gratitude, our voices rise to honor the founder of IVV, Dr. James W. Tyson, with our heartfelt joy.